Hi everyone. We would have come across this scenario for each and every time whenever our application gets selected for the interview. So initially a HR round happens and the HR calls you uh, whether you're comfortable with this job, location, pay. They'll discuss about the pay and about some different other factors according to their terms and conditions of the company. So next comes this round. So interview, technical round. So then you would have get that mail like after 2 days you are having a technical round. So this question will definitely come to your mind as how to impress the interviewer. Why? Because if you do well in the technical round, then you're good to go with the offer. Okay. So this is very much important. Hmm? So I just tried to get all the required points which are to impress the interviewer. Okay. Impressing an interviewer during the job interview involves combination of factors, including your qualification, preparation, communication skills, and professional demeanor. Okay, here are some of the tips to help you to make a positive impression. So you should definitely make a good positive impression um, to the interview. Then only you're qualified. Okay. Yep. So initially, you need to do research about the company, gain a good understanding of the company's values, mission, products or services, and recent news. Hmm? You need to gain some good understanding of the company's values, missions, services. Okay, this knowledge will demonstrate your interest and preparation during the interview. So this will show to the interviewer that uh, you are having interest and you have done some research for the interview. Okay, dress professionally. Please dress appropriately for the interview, adhering to the company's dress code or opting for a slightly more formal attire. It shows that you take the interview seriously and respect the company's culture. Okay, it shows this you're showing that you're very serious about this interview and you're showing some respect to the company's culture. So be punctual. This is one of the key factor. I mean, you need to be punctual to the interview. Arrive on time or a few minutes earlier for the interview. This demonstrates that your reliability and respect for the interviewer's time. Okay. Showcase your skills and experience. So you need to showcase your skills and experience to the interviewer. Clearly communicate your skills, qualifications, and relevant work experience during the interview. Prepare examples or anecdotes that demonstrate your accomplishments and problem-solving abilities. Prepare some examples that will demonstrate your accomplishments and problem-solving abilities. Okay. Ask thoughtful questions. You need to ask some good questions. If you don't ask questions, they feel like this candidate is dumb. Okay. Prepare a list of thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer about the company role and the team, how the team works, and what is the expectation of this role, what might be the problems that the selected candidate would face in the course of time. Okay, this shows that your genuine interest and engagement in the opportunity. Okay, it shows that you're really genuinely having this interest to crack this job. Okay, show enthusiasm. Yeah, you need to show this enthusiasm and positive attitude throughout the interview. Interviewer will look from different parameters. He would have seen if this is a coding challenge, what is your ability to solve this coding challenge? I mean, how you're approaching the problem, how you're trying to solve the problem, and reasons behind why you're approaching this problem is also very much important. Okay. Display enthusiasm and positive attitude throughout the interview. Be engaged, manage eye contact, and actively listen to the interview. Please actively listen to the interview. Okay. Be authentic. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. So you should be yourself, and your personality should shine. I mean, you should feel like you're a star. I mean, you have that ability, you have that skill, right? Diamond really uh, is very bright. It shines all the way. If it is in the crown, or if it is in the sand, also if it is on the ground also, this that shines with its own beauty. Okay. Authenticity is valuable and helps build a genuine connection with the interviewer. Okay. Communicate clearly, please. You need to communicate clearly with the interviewer. Speak clearly and concisely. Avoid excessive jargons. I mean, using extensively of jargons is also sometimes interviewer might feel uncomfortable. If that sometimes you would feel more comfortable, you can just understand by seeing his face. I mean, by reading his face. Use confident language and maintain a good posture. Hmm? Use confident language that you're confident about this approach, and try to if he asks about explaining the core, try to please explain your standpoint briefly to him. Okay. You should demonstrate your problem solving skills. This is also one of the most important. Why? Because most of the IT jobs have many problems. Okay. You should demonstrate your skill set, mindset, approaching towards solving the problem when faced with questions or scenarios. So, interviewer will have a set of pre-planned questions or pre-planned scenarios. So, scenario is like a situation where he tells you the problem and few constraints. Uh, okay, think aloud and demonstrate your problem solving skills. Okay, walk the interview through your thought process and show your ability to analyze situation to find solution. See, analyzing situation is very much important in this scenario. Okay, and so that's all. And next is like follow with a thank you note. If you have the interviewer mail ID, you can follow him up. Like, thank you for giving me opportunity to speak with you today. I'm happy to learn more about this opportunity. Looking forward to work within your team. Something like that. I mean, this shows that uh, the interviewer again recollects the conversation with you on the interview, and he gets some glimpse of the impression which he has, and this follow will create some positive uh, that will add on a positive impression on you. It will, I mean, like I can say in a simple words, like it will add some positive attitude about you. Okay. This reinforces your professionalism and attention in detail. Okay. Remember, impressing interviewer goes beyond just putting on a show. It's like you are put on a show. I mean, you're put on a stage to sing or dance. You have to impress audience there, right? If you don't impress your audience, it's very much, it, I mean, the dish won't hit, right? Hmm? It's important to showcase your qualifications, demonstrate a genuine interest in the company, and build a positive rapport with the interviewer by being professional, prepared, and authentic. These are very much important. Okay. Please have a look over these. I just wanted to recap once again. Research about the company. You would have some ample amount of time. Research about the company. Research about the team you are entering into. For example, you are entering into data analysis team. So, what are the team currently doing, and what is that relevant which you have done to that? Please be professional. I mean, if you're a male, please trim your beard or cut your beard. And if you're girl, female, please don't keep much of the makeup. I mean, that doesn't. Sometimes it will give positive or negative impact. You can have some, minimal. Okay. Be punctual, showcase your skills and experience. Ask thoughtful questions. You should showcase your experience and skills, very much important. You should ask some thoughtful questions to the interview. You need to show enthusiasm. I've read somewhere like just showing your skill set is not just enough. You should show your enthusiasm. What are the past projects? You can drive the interview by showing your past projects. Okay. Try to be authentic. Authentic is like being truthful. Okay. Please don't bluff with the interviewer. He can just understand that you're bluffing sometimes. Okay. If he has much experience uh, working with different candidates, so I can just understand what is the problem. Follow with a thank you note. Okay. This creates some. This adds a positive impression to the interviewer. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Looking forward to meet you in the next video.